Now we're at the best question on the paper, which is statistics. It said the marks obtained by 10 students in a test scored out of 60 are shown below. 29, 38, 26, 42, 38, 45, 35, 37, 38, 31. Find the range. The range is the highest grade minus the lowest grade. So the highest grade is, oh gosh, these results are awful. The highest grade is 45 and the lowest grade is 29. And so that's the range. The range is 45 minus 29. So the range is 16 marks. Now this is atrocious. How can the highest grade be 45 out of 60? So no student got 80% on this exam. I can definitely tell you that this is a chemistry exam. I'm just saying. Now it asks us for the median. Now the median is, always rearrange it to get median, all right? From lowest to highest. So if you were to rearrange it, my apologies right here. Let's go again. The lowest is not 29, the lowest is 26. 26, and so the range is 19. Now let's go again. Look right here. So now the lowest, 26. So 26 come first, then 29, then 31. So this is first, second, third. Fourth lowest is 35. Fifth lowest is 37. Sixth lowest is 38. Then 38. Then 38. Then 42. Then 45. So the fifth one, as we said, was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now the fifth and the sixth one, when we add them and divide by 2, that will give us the median. All right. So the median is going to be 37 plus 38 divided by 2. That gives us the median. So the median is 37.5 marks. That's pretty poor as well. This has to be a chemistry exam. That's the median. Then it asks for the interquartile range. The interquartile range is equal to Q3, which is the upper quartile, minus Q1, Q3 minus Q1. All right. So of course, to do this, I'm gonna just go ahead and rewrite them so we can see clearly what's going on. In order, it's 26, 29, 31, 35, 37, 38, 38, 38, 338, then 42, then 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So the median would have been Q2, would have been in between here. And then looking at these next 5 now. All right. This is Q. This 31 is Q1. And looking at the next 5 in between, it is 38. This 38 is Q3. So the interquartile range is going to be 38 minus 31. So the interquartile range is 7 marks. That's the interquartile range, 7 marks. Nice and easy. What is next? Then they said, find the probability that a student chosen at random score less than half the total marks on the test. Now, first and foremost, out of the 10 persons, probability that they score less than 50%. Probability that the score is less than 50%. The probability the score is less than 50% is equal to total number of pitney that get less than 50%, which is 1, 2 out of 10 students. This has to be a chemistry exam. 2 students failing and highest being 75%. This has to be chemistry. So the probability is 2 over 10, or some people might write it as 1 over 5. Maybe it's biology, could be, could. And that's that. Now, it gives us this question now, and it says, the frequency distribution below shows the masses in kilogram of 50 adults prior to the start of a fitness program. 60 to 64 kilogram, 65 to 69, 70 to 74, 75 to 79, 80 to 84, 85 to 89, blah, blah, blah. And it says, on the grid on page 23, using a scale of 2 centimeters to represent 5 units on the x-axis and 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit on the y-axis, draw a frequency polygon. So a frequency polygon really gonna plot the midpoint on the x-axis and the frequency on the y. That's all they want, frequency polygon. So let's draw our y-axis. I just like to label on the graph my y-axis. Put on my y-axis, then I'm going to put on my x-axis. All right, I'm going to stop here, because why I stop here is I'm going to break the x-axis. So sometimes I see a ziggy-zaga or a zaga-zaga-zow. So you break the x-axis. I'm going to break the x-axis. So this is my x-axis. And up top is y-axis. And they said, I think they said to use 2 centimeters to represent 2 centimeters to represent 5 units, I believe. 2 centimeters to represent 5 on the x. And then we need 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit on the y. So there's a reason why I break the x-axis, because I'm going to start from 60. All right, I want my graph to start from 60. All right, and then 2 centimeters represent 5 units. So this is 65. This is going to be 70. Right here, 70. And right here is going to be 75. Right here is 80. Right here is 85. $85, $80, $75. And then the midpoint now is going to be all of these. And the frequency, 1 centimeter represent 1 unit along the y. And so you can just put on your 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 5 and the 6 and the 7 and the 8 and the 9 and the 10. We're almost there. And the 11 and the 12 and the 13 and the 14 and the 15. Put on the 15 right here, and the 16 and the 17 and the 18. And we can stop right here for now. The first one that we'll look at is 62 have a frequency with 8. So we're gonna plot 62 and 8. So if this is 60 and this is 65, the middle is 62.5, and so this is right here is gonna be 62. That's 62 to have a frequency of 8. So 8 is right here, so I'll draw this point. That's 8. That's 62. The next point is 67 with 11. So 67 is going to be, right here says 67.5. So right here, so it's 67. And it go up to 11. 11 is right here. Oh, good with that. Then 72 to 15. 72 is right here to 15. 15 is right here. Oh, good with that. And then we have 77 to 9. 77 to 9. 77 is right here. And then we're going all the way up to 9. 10 is here, so 9 is right here. We're almost done. Then we'll go 82 to 5. 82 to 5. 82, go with the number 5. And then we have 85, 85, 87 going with 2. 87 going with 2. This would be 90. Right here, so it would be 90. And so 87 would be here. And 87 go with the number 2. Now you can plot a frequency polygon. So just draw some lines connecting them now. I'm gonna go with red. All you're doing is connecting a point to a frequency polygon. This is it. That's our frequency polygon. Nice and easy, and we're done. So it looks really nice now. That's our frequency polygon.